Dealing with paint on your car can be a real pain. Whether it's from a nearby project, road construction, or vandalism, removing it requires some effort. Luckily, there are simple ways to get paint off a car and restore its shine. In this quick video, we'll cover different methods, starting with the easiest one. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Water and soap mixture. With some plain water and car wash soap, you might be able to remove the paint from the car if it is still fresh. This approach is obviously the best to use since it causes the least harm. The paint on your car will bake on if it is left in the sun, making removal more challenging. Therefore, if you want to pull it off using this straightforward technique, you must move quickly. In a clean bucket, first combine warm water and car wash soap. You can gently scrub the area with a clean, soft cloth. Avoid using a dirty rag because the dirt on it could cause scratches in the paint. Till all of the paint has been removed, gently rub the area in a circular motion. After removing all of the paint, you might decide to finish washing the vehicle. In either case, you must make sure the area is dry. Dry every water spot with a microfiber cloth. Nail polish remover. You need to step it up when soap and water don't work. The most common household item is nail polish remover, but make sure it is acetone-free. The paint can be harmed by any acetone containing nail polish remover. Apply nail polish remover to the paint splatter with a clean rag. It works best if you dab it there. To prevent harming the paint of the car, you should thoroughly rinse the area after the paint has been removed. Lacquer thinner. It's probably already too dry if the paint won't wash off with soap and water or nail polish remover. You'll require something stronger, like lacquer thinner. You can use lacquer thinner on your car in addition to cleaning things off of wood because it is a potent solvent. Apply the thinner and take off the paint with a clean rag. Use warm water to remove the lacquer from your automotive paint as the paint begins to peel off before doing so causes it to deteriorate as well. Start with a small quantity of thinner to protect the paint on your car. If more are needed later, you can always add more. Gasoline. Gasoline is another useful item you might have in your garage. It functions similarly to lacquer thinner and nail polish remover. Apply a small amount with a clean cloth after dabbing a small amount on the paint splatter. If you choose to scrub the area, be gentle when doing so. Avoid pressing too hard to avoid damaging your car's original paint. You need to rinse the area with water to get rid of all of the gasoline once the paint splatter has started to come off. Dry the car to get rid of any water stains. Rubbing compound. Try using rubbing compound instead if you have the time and want to remove the paint securely. The best way to get rid of difficult splatters without harming the paint is to use this method, which will require some patience. Onto your clean, soft rag, apply a small amount of the rubbing compound. Circularly scrub the area, but only use light pressure. Just concentrate on one small area at a time if you are working on a large area. Damage to your paint may result from attempting to do too much at once. The car should ideally be washed and waxed after the paint has been removed. This step aids in preventing further damage to the paint. Can you sand off dried paint? If all else fails, you might have to sand the paint off your car. You shouldn't take this action lightly. The dried paint on the car can be removed with sandpaper and some elbow grease, but it's possible to remove the good paint as well. You should move very slowly and pay close attention if you decide to use sandpaper. You must first wash and dry the car before you can sand off dried paint. When you're done, use some automotive masking tape to section off the paint splatter. Sanding can begin once the rest of the car has been shielded. The best sandpaper to use is 300 grit wet dry. After the paint splatter has been eliminated, switch to sandpaper with a 12-0 grit rating. Because you don't want to leave anything behind that could damage the paint nearby, clean the sanded area after you're done. Before removing the tape, we advise washing the area. Hope the information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.